These birds copy every word, every inch. But gang got the hammer and the wrench.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another video. This video is all about this hair that I'm currently rocking. So this hair is from Supernova Hair. This is their Brazilian straight. I have in a wig that I constructed myself out of 3 bundles of 18 inches. All 3 bundles are 18 inches, and I believe the frontal is a 16. If not an 18, I believe it was a 16. All the specs will be down in the description box, as always. But let's get into this hair. So I did construct this unit myself. After constructing it into the unit, I did bleach the hair. I bleached this hair a total of 2 times. The first time I went in with 30 volume developer. The second time I went in with 30 volume with toner. And then the third time I used a box dye from like Dollar Tree. It was supposed to lift the hair to like the lightest level of blondes. I only used it really on the top. That's why in the hair you see like some highlights. Do have some footage of how I colored this hair. I will try to include that footage. I also have footage of how I install this wig and curl this wig. But to get into their hair, this is my second time working with Supernova. The first time I worked with them, it was a curly texture. So the hair is fairly nice. The one con that I have about the hair, and I'm just going to throw that out there first, is it didn't lift the way I wanted it to. Like, in order to achieve color like this, I shouldn't have to bleach the hair 2 times. I don't know, to me, because I've worked with so much hair, I don't feel like it lifted to the level that it should, which leads me to believe that it might be processed a little bit. The hair is definitely thick. This unit is super full. Like, look at this. I put just about all 3 bundles in here, plus everything is 18 inches, so it all falls at the same length and the same place. I'll turn around and I'll stand up. Not that I need to stand up because you kind of see where the hair ends, but I'll turn around in a little while so you guys can see where it falls on my back. So as far as holding a curl, as you can see, this hair holds a curl. I did use a little bit of holding spray. I used the Chi Iron Guard, which has become a favorite. I did achieve these waves with a flat iron, not a curling iron. It's holding up so far. The hair doesn't feel dead. It was a little dry after bleaching it a few times. I did have to deep condition her, as you should after you process hair with bleach. Otherwise, I'm running my fingers through it. It's gliding, shedding very little. That I have to say, you would think the hair would be shedding all over the place. It's not. This is a lace frontal. I did customize this. Well, this is kind of cute. But yeah, the frontal was pretty dense, so I did have to take my time and pluck her because she looked crazy. It wasn't one of those frontals you could get away with like makeup or pulling out some baby hairs. You had to pluck her. The frontal was full. And I did bleach the knots. The knots bleached pretty well, as you can see. So let me turn around and show y'all what it looks like in the back. Oh, the hair is really pretty straight, but for this color, the vision I just had waves. I wanted waves, so that's what I did. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Definitely check out supernovahair.com. because I do believe they have their own site, which will be down below. And I want to thank all you beauties for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of the video, and until next time.
It's my window, I can't stand the rain. It's my window, I can't stand
Hit this Indonesia, tell me how you feel. We got hella chill, alcohol, never was the thrill. Hella ginger ale, I'm too on point, no need to point, I'm out up in the tail. The vegetarian breathe easy, no Benadryl. Like, huh, what, where did this nigga come from? He speak his spoke with so many layers, he must be onion. I am peeling back all these roots. The feeling is that you less appealing once you get to peeling back all these truths. That's a lie, steal in the back of black coops. They peeling caps in the streets, but shorty just popping wheelies, not bulletproof. Hit this helium, I'm straight past your ceiling like fuck the roof, and I'm healing them. Just straight penicillin out the syringe, sealing the joint with lemon cushion. Jasmine blends the bride and groom, seal territory in these waters. Fuck a Heidi Klum, fuck a tidy room, it's dirty in these streets. Out my window I can see it, niggas searching for defeat. Out my window I can see my people's pain. Never tears though, they blend in with the rain. Shit is getting old, niggas grinding for the gold. Ain't really no gold, he just shining for the hoe. look at my city and tell me that shit look pretty. The south side is like a blemish, like country breakfast, it's gritty. Keep we moving with purpose, the petty only get pity. Keep the proof of the purchase, I barely pushing them pennies. I've been doing it for free. My nigga, shout your link card, I'm just out here trying to free. My niggas, cause the shit's getting old and they coming for your gold. Thick socks for your soul, I would never wish you pain. Shoulders getting cold like the winter when it snows. So I'm here for your tears, I forever wish you rain, rain, rain.